All right, so we are starting translations, and translations involve the word vector, component form, and coordinate form. You'll follow my cursor along. So let's start with our definition. A translation is a transformation that slides all points of a figure the same distance and direction, creating a new congruent image. A vector, up here, distance and direction, talks about vector. So a vector is this, and it looks like an arrow, right? And a vector is a quantity that has both magnitude, which is length, and direction. It has a horizontal and vertical change, kind of like a slope. A vector also has an initial point, is the starting point, and a terminal point is the ending point of the vector. So if I were looking at this vector, my initial point would be here, the starting point, and my terminal point would be here at the end. Another word, similar word to terminal, would be terminate. If you terminate something, it's at the end. Component form is another way that you can see a vector or discuss a vector. It's also known as vector form, and it describes a translation and looks like this. It has a greater than, less than symbols on the outside, and then it looks like a set of coordinates. We're going to talk about coordinates down here. So the 6 is in the x value, and the -2 is in the y value. So this vector means you're going to have a translation of 6 units to the right and 2 units down. Coordinate form is another way to describe a translation. Coordinate form looks like this, where you have x plus a number, comma y minus or plus a number. And what this one specifically means is a translation 2 units to the right, 1 unit down. Those are your vocabulary terms for the translation portion of our unit. Copy those down and we're going to start using those immediately.